In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve Notion Workspace aesthetics with a setting 5 minutes. By the end, your pages will feel more polished, consistent, and enjoyable to use without changing how your information works. Start by signing into Notion. Open an existing page or create a new one so we have a canvas to work with. At the top of the page, click the page icon area. This opens the picker where you can choose an icon that sets the tone for the content. Switch to the Icons tab to browse a full set of clean, scalable options. You can also change the icon color here. Aim for contrast with your cover image and a palette that matches your workspace. Pick an icon that complements your database or the page's purpose. Think categories, status, or team-specific symbols to build visual cues at a glance. Next, add visual depth with a cover. Click Add Cover, then Change Cover. You can choose from Notion's built-in gallery or upload your own image. If you upload, use wide images and keep them lightweight so pages load quickly. Reposition the cover if needed so the focus sits above the title. For readability, check that the title stays legible against the image. Subtle textures or gradients often work best. You can elevate the page further with widgets. Embed clocks, calendars, or tiny dashboards to add utility and personality. Paste a widget link or use the slash command to embed. Keep widgets minimal so they enhance the page rather than distract from it. Now refine the reading experience with fonts. Open the three-dot menu at the top right and switch between default, serif, or mono. Default is clean and versatile, serif adds an editorial feel, and mono is great for technical content. Choose one style and stick with it across similar pages for cohesion. For a sleek interface and reduced eye strain, enable dark mode. Go to Settings, then Appearance, and turn it on. You can also match your system settings, so Notion adapts automatically throughout the day. If you're working in a database, customize it to look intentional, show only the properties that matter, reorder them for clarity, and consider formatting key fields with concise labels. Tidy properties make every view easier to scan. To improve layout, create multiple columns. Drag the 6-dot handle of a block to the right until you see a blue guide, then drop it to form columns. Keep important content wider and auxiliary details narrower to maintain balance. Finally, keep exploring small touches, consistent colors, clear sections, and simple visuals to build an aesthetic dashboard that feels both beautiful and functional.